Hello, good morning everyone. Welcome today. Yes, it's the first Friday of the month. A speed test. First Friday of the month, Friday, March the 3rd, 2023. We have here two regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the light Sudoku and the heavy Sudoku. But we have also in this newspaper an additional with extra puzzles. I will do these in the evening. Not all, half of them I will solve, because there are 7 extra puzzles. Letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 tectonics, one with 4 stars and one with 1 star. In Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And the last puzzle is a binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. Half of them I will solve, 4 of them, but in the evening. But first, let me start with the first puzzle, the regular puzzle. Yeah, first Friday of the month, a speed test. And this will be a number 6054. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one, I believe 27 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because if you compare with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars Sudoku, it's a 1 star. If you compare, yeah, in the additional, it's a 1 star. And for 1 star puzzle, you need to be faster than 50 minutes. But it's a speed test without any comments, instructions. So let's get started. 1 minute and 45 already passed. Okay, let's get started. 5. Okay, 5. What is it? Then 9. 7. Here we have a 3. 7. 7. 7. Okay. 5 we have here. Then we have a 1, 2, and a 6. How about the 8? 8. Well, we have an 8 here, 8 there. Here should be an 8. Then here should be an 8, and there should be an 8. 9. Need a 9 there. Need a 9 here. 1, 2, 3, and a 6. 3 and 2. 6. Oh, 6 here. Need a 6 there. Yeah. Then need a 6 here also. Okay. 6. 9. Come on. 8. We have an 8 already. 2, 7, 3. 1. Here should be the 1. 1. Okay. 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 1, 2, 4, and the 5. 5 and the 2. 5 and the 2 we have a pair. So the 1 and the 4 should be here. 1 also here. 1 and the 3 we have a pair here. 2 and the 5 we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 9. Wow, come on! A lot of pairs. 2 and the 5. Wow. 2 and the 5 here should be the 4 and the 9. 4 should be here, 9 should be there. 4 and 9, the other should be the 7. No, 2 and the 5. Yeah, 2 and 5. a lot of pairs. Here should be the 2 and the 3, I believe. Yeah. So the 2 should be there. 1, 1 here, 1 there. 6 should be here. 9 should be here. So this box should be the 4. Okay. 2, 3. How about here? The 2 and the 4. 2 and the 4. 9 and 8. We have a 9. We have an 8 there. So we need an 8 here. So we have a 2 here, 2 there. So this should be the 2. This should be the 4. 4, 9. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. This should be the 1. No 9 here, so this should be the 9. 2 and 5. This should be the 4. 1 and a 3. This should be the 6. Oh, wow. Not good, not good. We already have a 6 here, so I made a mistake here. Speed test, come on. Maybe here. This is also wrong. 4 should be here. Yeah, 4. We have a 4 here. Need a 4. Maybe the 9 is not correct. Yeah, need a 9 here. This should be the 9. The 9 is not correct. Switch those. 9. This should be definitely a 9. We have a 9 here. Come on, come on, come on, come on. 2 and 3, 2 and 5. No, 6. 6. 6. Maybe the 8 is also not correct. I think this should be the 9. Yeah. This should be the 4. 4, 4. Here should be the 4. 6, 6. Come on, yeah. 1, 1, 1. Maybe these two also switch. I don't know. I don't want to make a mistake. Okay. Well, the 8 should be correct here. 8, 8. We have an 8 here. Okay. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, and 6. The 3, 1, and 6. No 6 here, no 6 there. This should be the 6. 3 and 1. We have a, so this should be the 1. This should be the 3. This should be the 3 then. 2 and a 5. 1 box left. Nope. This should be the 2. This should be 3. This should be the 5. This should be the 2. 2 and a 5. Come on, come on, come on. 6 and 9. 9, 6. 4 and 9. 9, 4. This should be the 4. And this should be the 1, 2. 3, 1, and the 5. Finished in 9 minutes. Minus 1 minute. 8 minutes. Wow. Oh, 2 and a 5. Wow, 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 wow. 5, 2, 2, 5. Okay. Let me check if this is correct. In, well, 8 minutes. 8 minutes. Not exactly, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, correct. Well, mistake. Maybe yeah, maybe I'm a little bit faster then. But we solve it again. Okay. Sometimes need to double check. So luckily I have done a double check. Otherwise, the whole puzzle will be a mess. Thank you for watching, and I see you in a minute with the Sudoku Heavy, the second speed test puzzle. Until then, bye bye for now.